Morning everyone, it's Rick, the Static Nomadic. Today is Friday, August 24th, 2018. And honestly, I forget what day on the road now. I know it's been a week since I posted anything, and there's a reason for that. I mentioned that I was headed into Wyoming, which I did. Unfortunately, things didn't work out in Wyoming as well as I had hoped, mainly because of the rain. Rainmaker Rick, right? Anyway, the rain did chase me all the way through Wyoming, and I got caught in a really nasty storm. I was planning on coming to Salt Lake anyway, because of my parents' anniversary is coming up. I just didn't plan on getting here as quick as I did, but my shifter started acting up worse and worse and worse, and I decided it was best for me to get someplace where I could park for at least a couple of weeks, get this pulled and get it shipped to Texas and get it rebuilt, and keep me from breaking down on the side of the road. That would have been a bad deal. So anyway, that's the wind lock on my awning, my big awning, and the wind was so strong that it broke that retainer. I mean, broke it slap off. That's aluminum. And the end result was a pretty nasty mess, as you can see. I don't know how bad it is just yet. We haven't unrolled it, but we're going to probably today and see just how much damage I have. It doesn't look like it damaged the aluminum or the rail. It looks like it was just the cloth that got torn. But anyway, yeah, that was a really nasty storm. So I spent yesterday pulling the shifter out. I got that all out. I got it packed up, ready to ship off today. With the Labor Day weekend coming, that's gonna put a kink in things, but you know, probably about 2 weeks before I get that back, and that'll give me time to deal with the awning and a few other minor issues that are going on. Seems like there's always something going on, right? And Utah needs some rain bad. From what I understand, they haven't had rain pretty much all summer. I figured, why not bring it to Utah? Help them out, right? So anyway, I did bring some welcome rain to the Salt Lake Valley in Utah, and you're welcome. And Wyoming, you're welcome as well, because I'm sure you needed it. Anyway, I did accomplish my goal of surprising my folks for their anniversary. They do watch my videos, and if I had posted anything in Wyoming, they would have known that I was about to drop in on them. So I had to stay kind of quiet there for a little while. Sorry about that, but hey, ends to the means, right?
I'm going to go to Wyoming, the last I heard.
Well, I was in Wyoming.
Come here. Oh, what a surprise. Wow.